Yes.
Again?
You got it. Hold it. Safety on. Safety.
We got...
I got one.
Looks like we got 2. How exciting is that? Yay! Look at that.
That was
Awesome. We got 2.
He came out of nowhere.
Let's get a freaking awesome.
You did great.
Is that a good sized one?
Yeah, they're nice ones.
Awesome.
I was watching them deer, and I says, they're right there. They're right to the right. Did you see them right?
I did.
Did you get it on video?
I did.
Did you get it on video when they're beating?
Yeah, I did. I hope I did.
Oh,
Look at this. I think it's still recording, actually. It's still recording.
We got it. We got it.
let's take a go up to your bird. Oh, safety's on. Yeah.
Yep, I got my safety.
Oh, good girl. Did you hear her giggling? Okay, get right down by your bird. You shot it. Excellent.
Oh, nice job, babe. I'm proud of you.
Get right down there.
Pick up the head.
No.
She annihilated it.
Nice job.
You did good. Both of yous.
Look at how long that beard is.
Get all bloody.
Oh, did you annihilate him?
I hit him right in the neck.
Let's see that look. Let's see the thumbs up. Big bird down, eh? Oh. He's got spurs. I am talking.
I think you weren't kidding about it. They see that Jake and that's the only thing they can think of.
Oh, come on up to your bird. You gotta go up here.
That was fun.
You got a nice one here. Let's take a look. Okay, let's see. Get right down there.
Yours isn't bleeding as much as mine is.
Good job. Get down by mom. Gotta get down by mom. 2 big turkey killers. That was absolutely fabulous.
We got that other one yesterday.
Look at the
right
beard.
In the wing.
Look at that beard.
Here,
Nice.
hold on. I'm gonna get this one for you. Did good.
Its
Okay.
wings are covered in blood.
Get right down there, girls. You guys did
Hold
fabulous.
the gun and I'll hold the birds. Since you don't want to touch them. This one's a little bloody.
Get right down there, Jaden.
Get up right close to me.
How was the hunt? Did you love it?
Yeah.
Oh,
So
That-
exciting. Awesome. That's a nice size. Both of them are heavy.